Hey music lovers, today I'm going to show you 4 simple iPhone tips that would probably improve your Apple Music sound quality big time. These are quick tweaks that'll level up your streaming quality and make your listening experience way better. Let's jump in. First up, you're going to want to change your EQ settings. Go to Settings, scroll down to Apps section, then again scroll down to Music. Over here, tap on EQ. From here, pick Vocal Booster, which appears last on this list. This is going to highlight the mids and vocals, making singers stand out more. It's a solid sound enhancer, especially if you listen to pop, acoustic, or podcasts. Second, you gotta turn on Sound Check. Still in your music settings, look for Sound Check and toggle it on. This feature evens out the volume levels across all your songs. No more jumping for the volume button when one track is way louder or softer than the next. It keeps everything nice and even. Third, let's talk about streaming quality. If you want richer audio, you're going to want to turn on lossless audio. Open Settings, scroll the screen to Apps on this page, scroll to tap Music, then Audio Quality. Switch on lossless. This uses more data but gives you a cleaner, fuller sound. If you've got good Wi-Fi or an unlimited plan, it's a no-brainer. And finally, set your headphone accommodations. Go to Settings, tap Accessibility, then Audio/Visual, then Headphone Accommodations. Turn it on and slide to Vocal Range and Strong. This will boost the clarity of voices and fine details, perfect for music lovers who want crisp lyrics and sharp instruments. So there you have it. 4 quick tips that would easily boost your Apple Music sound quality. Try them out, and your ears are going to thank you. If this helped, drop a like and stick around for more easy iPhone tricks.